Hello, I'm here to demonstrate the experiment number 6 in the case tools lab. So it is with activity diagram. What is an activity diagram? Activity, the name itself suggests that it will show the what all activities are going to be done in the system. So the coming to the actual definition, activity diagrams are used to document workflows in a system from the business level down to the operation level. Okay, here in activity diagram, there are different states which are used to represent the operations that are being performed, and that there are transitions in order to show from which state is going to which state. I mean, from which state is going to transfer to which state. The general purpose of activity diagram is used. It is used to focus on the flow of the internal processing versus external events. Okay, now under activity diagram, the flow can be sequential, branched, concurrent, or it can be a single. It can deal with any different types, and there are different elements which are used in this, that is the fork, join, etc. Okay, coming to the action states. The action states are the individual states, that is individual action that is being performed within the activity diagram. Then coming to the transition, they are used to tell whether the activity state is completed, a particular activity state is completed. Once it is completed, the transition takes place to the next activity state. Okay, that is the transition. It is indicated with the help of an arrow. Initial state, as you have already seen in the fifth one, initial state is a solid black circle which is used to show that it is the starting state of the diagram. And final state is the final state. After the entire activity diagram is over, it will reach the final state. Synchronization bar. Synchronization bar is used in a swim lane diagram, where it is used to divide it into different categories. So this is done when split processing is done. That time it is used. Fork is used when multiple activities have been completed. Join thing is used. You're going to use that. Now in my diagram, I will show you. In my diagram, I'll show you what I have done. This one I've done one with swim lane and one without swim lane. The one with the swim lane, just see, I will be dividing it with the help of a synchronization bar: game architect, designer, testing team, game company, player. So now this is the starting. Now when game plan, game sketch. After that, it will go to the designer. It will go to the designer and he will design the game. Now, if it is designed, it will go and check with the game errors with the help of a testing team. If no, the game graphics are added. Now again, decision box. If yes, the game errors. Then no, again the game confirmation. Then the game drawbacks. If after the game drawbacks have come from the game company, it will go to the testing team. If it is yes, means it will go to the game designing. And now after that, it will go to the game redesigning. Then for the game approval, it will go to the game company. When the game company approves the game, it will go get the game will be released. Then the feedback will be given by the players. Feedback and comments will be given by the players. So from after the game approval, it will be released to the players, and here the feedbacks and comments are given by the players. Okay. Now that is with swim lane. This is without the swim lane. So now the same part, it is represented without the lines. Okay, but nothing is actually different. Only the lines have been removed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.